In this video, I'll show students how to post to Padlet in their Canvas courses. I'm in an assignment right now on Canvas. You can see it looks normal except for this big box here that's new. This is Padlet showing up inside of Canvas. You might also see a button like this, and you have to click on that to open up Padlet in a new tab or a new window. To make my post, you'll just click on the plus sign down in the lower right. That icon will be a different color depending on the theme of the Padlet that the instructor set. When you click on that, if it doesn't immediately let you post, it might be because we need to sync up your accounts and you'll be presented with a login screen. Just use your Eagle Mail account, same username and password that you use to log into Canvas, and it should all sync up correctly automatically. If you run into problems there, just contact our office, the TLPEC. My accounts are already synced up, so I can just make my post. And you can also attach a whole bunch of different types of files, images, documents you've created, photos, videos, drawings, all sorts of stuff. Your instructor might lock down these options, so you might not see all of them. You might just see video, for example, if they're trying to make you do a video discussion. So you can just upload whatever you need to. If it is a video discussion, just heads up, you might have to allow Padlet to use your camera and microphone, to just be ready for that. But otherwise, it should load up your camera and microphone right there on the screen. When your post is ready, you just hit the submit button and it'll show up in the Padlet. The layout of these Padlets can be very different. This is just using a table format. If I want to comment on this, you'll see the tiny little comment icon. Click on there, and again, I can just type away or click on the plus sign to make my attachments. Click the comment button, and I've commented on that post, and I can click on this X to go back to the main screen. If you think this screen is too small, which it might be, click on this icon here in the upper right hand corner. It'll open it up in a new tab, and you got a lot more real estate to deal with. You can see more of your classmates' posts.